Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. This is your mathematics period. Which chapter is going on now? Chapter 5 Fractions. Is it? Today we plan to discuss addition of unlike fractions and mixed fractions. Okay, you can watch the class. Children, in the last class we have found the addition of like fractions. Today we have to discuss addition of unlike fractions. In the case of unlike fractions, the fractions change into like fractions and then add like fractions. Okay, so first we can do one example. Add 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. These are two unlike fractions. So there are two methods. First one, by writing equivalent fractions. As in the case of comparison, we are writing some equivalent fractions of both the fractions. So we will get 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 6, 3 by 9, etc. 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4, 3 by 6. How? By multiplying by 2 by 2, then by 3 by 3, etc. So instead adding 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, we will do 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6 because they are the like fractions among the group. Okay, so we will get the answer. Okay, you understood? By writing equivalent fractions. Second method, by LCM method. Here which are the denominators? 3 and 2. So their LCM 3 into 2, 6. So we will have to change the denominator as 6. The same problem we will do using LCM. So LCM is 6. 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. Because we want to change this 3 as 6. Here this 2 as 6. So we want to multiply by 2 by 2 and then 3 by 3. So we will get 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Then add as in the last section 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6, 5 by 6. This is the answer. Understood? So you can use any method, but we will use LCM method, that is preferable in the higher class. Okay. Next one is a word problem. Manish jogged 2 by 3 kilometer on Saturday and 3 by 4 kilometer on Sunday. What distance did he jog during the weekend? So we have to add these two fractions to get the total distance. Set 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Here denominators are 3 and 4, unlike fractions. We have to calculate their LCM. They have no common factor, so their LCM is their product. That means 3 into 4, 12. So 3 to become 12, we have to multiply by 4. So this fraction should be multiplied by 4 by 4. So 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 4, 12. Multiplication of fractions is very easy. Directly you can multiply. No need to find LCM or anything else. Okay. So here we got 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. So you can add 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12. Answer will be 17 by 12. That the last answer should be in the form of mixed fraction or in the lowest form of fraction. Okay, if it is an improper fraction, we have to convert it into mixed fraction. If it is a proper fraction, we have to convert into lowest form of fraction. Here 17 by 12 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. Now how to change an improper fraction to mixed fraction. 17 division 12. Quotient will get 1. Remainder 5. So the answer will be QR by D form. Mixed form will be QR by D, 1 5 by 12 kilometer. So children, we found the addition of like fractions and unlike fractions. Next one is addition of mixed fractions or mixed numbers. There are also two methods. First method, you can add the whole numbers separately and fractions separately. Here, which are the whole numbers? This 2 is a whole number is in this fraction. Here, this 2 is the whole number in this fraction. Whole number, fraction. Here also whole number, fraction. So, it is a mixed fraction or mixed number. We can check how we can add this type of mixed fractions. Okay. First method, I told add the whole numbers and fractions separately. Whole numbers 2 and 2 here that you add. Then you can add 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So here 2 plus 2. Whole numbers adding 2 plus 2 we will get 4. Then next fractions separately 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. How we will add 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 are which fractions? Unlike fractions. So we can follow the method of unlike fractions addition. Which are the denominators? 4 and 2. Is it? What will be their LCM? 4. LCM means least common multiple. Here common multiple are 4, 8, etc. So here least common multiple 4. Okay, in the working column you find LCM. We will get LCM is 4. So we have to make this LCM will be the denominator. 3 by 4, the denominator is 4. So we don't want to change the denominator. But in the case of 1 by 2, we have to change it into 4. So we will multiply with 1 by 2 into 2 by 2. 3 by 4, same we will write the 3 by 4 itself. But 1 by 2 into 2 by 2. Then only this 2 will become 4. Okay, understood? This LCM should be our new denominator. So we have to multiply with the new fraction with a number. 2 into 2 is 4. So this entire fraction should be multiplied by 2 by 2. Okay, so 3 by 4 plus 1 into 2, 2 by 2 into 2, 4. So we wrote 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4. What the answer of this 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4? 5 by 4. Okay. This 5 by 4 we converted into mixed fraction 1 by 4. Then already we got whole numbers sum as 4. So 4 plus this fractions sum 1 by 4. So 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 5 1 by 4. Here also we added whole numbers separately. 4 plus 1 5. Then we write this fraction here. That is the method 5 1 by 4. So you remember children, to add mixed fractions or mixed numbers, we will add the whole numbers first, then we add the fractions separately. While we add the fractions, we can use LCM method or writing the equivalent fractions. But we have to use LCM method, that is better. Okay. Then these mixed fractions can be added by using improper fractions. First we will convert into improper fractions and then add. That method also we can use. So here 2 3 by 4. The last fractions we are adding here using second method. That means converting into improper fractions. Here 2 3 by 4. How we will change into improper fraction? 2 into 4 plus 3 all divided by 4. So we got 11 by 4. Then 2 1 by 2. 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. 5 by 2. This mixed fraction we changed into improper fraction. That's only. That you know we have studied already. Okay. So 2 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 2 we can write as 11 by 4 plus 5 by 2. Now these two fractions became unlike fractions. We can again use the method of LCM to find the sum of these two unlike fractions. Here the denominators are 4 and 2. Their LCM is 4. So 11 by 4 we will write as before 11 by 4 itself plus here 5 by 2. Denominator is 2. 2 become 4, we have to multiply with 2 by 2. So 5 into 2, 10 by 2 into 2, 4. So 11 by 4 plus 10 by 4 is equal to 11 plus 10, 21 by 4. We changed into 21 by 4, we changed into mixed fractions. We will get 5, 1 by 4. Okay, by division. By dividing with 4, we will get 5 times. So, remainder 1. That's it. So, we can write this 21 by 4 as 5, 1 by 4. Quotient, remainder, divisor, 5, 1 by 4. Okay. Today itself, you do more problems and practice. Thank you, children.